guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome out to the shop. Finally, it's been a long time since I've been out here to shoot anything. A friend of mine asked me to make some pitching shoes, so horseshoes for the game, and so I'll just take you along for that. I got the forge running already, you can hear it in the background. I'm not a farrier by any means, so farriers out there, just go ahead and click off of this because you're not going to want to watch this, but it's okay. I'm just forming a U essentially, and a bit of a tip on the end already, or not already, but a bit of a tip as well. So I've taken about 18 inches of 1/4 by 1 steel, and that's what I'm going to be using. And I've taken some 5/8 rebar, 28 inches long for the pegs, and just drawn it down to a point. No, they're not in here, they're outside right now. So anyways, but I just drew it down to a point, and we've all seen that, to square tapered octagon to whatever 16 is. Sorry, I don't know my Roman numerals that well. And then round it off. So it's very simple. I'll show you those at the very end. Anyways, so that's it. Enough jibber jabber, and we'll get after it. Thanks for coming out today. So I goofed there. I'm going to heat that up again, and I got this little fuller that I ground, and what I'm going to do is so that they know which shoes are which. A lot of them are, I think they're stamped with an A or a B or 1 and a 2, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a 1 or 2 of these, right? So 1 Roman numeral or 2 on one side of the shoe, and then flip it over and do the other side of the shoe, so no matter what side it's on, you can always see the 1 or the 2. So I'm going to heat that one up again, make my mark on it, and then we'll do the same with the other one as well. There's 4. Now they're not all perfect. They leave a little something to be desired. But they'll throw. There's the number 1s. Another number 1. 2 number 2s. And then just 28 inches of rebar pointed for the stakes. So now he can build a pit or 2 and drink some beers, have some fun. So thanks for joining me for this little project. I know that I struggled through that, and that's probably not the right way to do it. Actually, I'm 100% positive that it's not the right way to do it, but I got it done, got the job done. They're flat. They actually pitch pretty nice for just a chunk of flat iron. I think if a person was going to make more of them, obviously do a little bit more research, but I have some draft shoes that I shortened up. If anybody follows me on Instagram, you'll see those. I shortened them up, reshaped them. Same thing, did a couple of rebar pegs as well, and painted them red and blue just for effect. This isn't going to matter. They're going to get chipped up anyways, so it's really just a waste of paint. But if anybody's seen those work as well. You know, a draft shoe with the cleat cut off the heel, and you know, just reshaped so that they're not so round like this, like a horseshoe. They're more like a U, right? So anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate every one of you. Leave a comment, like, give it one of those if you don't like it. Let's all be honest here. Subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you for the next one. Take care.